Rain ride. I should tell you guys, I am getting a new camera. I got a Insta360 Ace Pro and all the extra stuff for it too. Gotta open my mat. My helmet's fogging up. Woo! We're gonna hit the gym. And yeah, so anyways, I got the Insta360 Ace Pro, so we'll have multiple camera angles. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, I gotta get this visor off. Ah, fuck it. It's fogging up too fucking much. There we go. I also need to get new tires here soon. So we're gonna try not to hit the brakes super hard because it is a little slippery out. Not really slippery yet, but it will be here soon. Brother. Do a wheelie, dude, it's fucking wet outside. For reference, that's the guy that he was stuck here on this road back there a bit, and he ran out of gas. So I went over with the gas jug that he had in the back of his pickup, went, got him some gas, came back, fucking chill dude, fucking gave me 20 bucks. Well, he gave me 20 bucks to go get him gas, and then whatever's left over, he's like, nah, keep it. I was like, no, I don't need it. Like, but he gave the rest of the 20 to me, so I guess I helped somebody get gas, and I made 20 bucks out of it, so. You know what? I fucking love riding in the rain though. Like at night, oh my god. Like riding in the rain at night is so chill. I mean it's a little scary, but I mean you just don't think about it too much, and it's fucking chill as fuck. Damn, it's like pouring now. Yeah, it's raining. That's fun. Is my chain getting rusty? A little bit. Probably should clean it soon. You too. I will. Maybe. I don't know if my camera's clean, so I don't know if this is gonna be a fucking good segment, but woo! What was that in the road? I kind of want to do a burnout. It's not really a burnout because I'm just gonna fucking slide, but you know, I'm gonna spin the wheel safely in a stationary position. How shall I? Holy fucking! I can't say a single word in English right now. A little Grand Am. I love Grand Ams. I love fucking Pontiac, dude. Gotta be careful with my turns. I don't wanna end up hitting the gas a little bit too much on a turn. So I'm gonna try to just not be accelerating when I'm turning whatsoever. Should keep me safe from that. Oh, also, we're getting purple shifting levers soon. Fighting at me? The fuck? All right, we have one of these bad boys. Oh my god, no hands! Oh my god! Onward! Look at me, guys, I'm in a car. Well, I'm gonna swap out the battery in the GoPro and we're gonna go home, I think. So on second thought, I don't have any other batteries, so when this thing dies, I have nothing. Fuck. Fuck, brother. Fuck.